Hi, this is Mark at Tabor Electronics. This week I am at Warner Robins Air Force Base and we are talking about drones and autonomy. We are attending the Electromagnetic Warfare Technical Conference run by the Association of Old Crows, and we've been showcasing some of our drone test and evaluation capability. So what is a drone?
A drone is an autonomous or semi-autonomous vehicle. It can vary in size and weight and payload capability from very large to very, very small tactical drones. But it doesn't necessarily have to fly. There's many autonomous vehicles now aiding soldiers on the battlefield that are ground-based. But the most important thing about all these devices is the radio link. And what Tabor have done is put a comprehensive solution together for test and evaluation of new drone or autonomous capability that allows you to evaluate the system under test in both the lab and out on the range. So let's take a look. The Tabor Proteus solution is an advanced software-defined radio or SDR technology that can be configured in a number of different operational modes to validate your drone. One of the modes is emulating speed. So it has what we call the digital RF memory mode, where you can adjust the Doppler and you can adjust the range or delay of the signal to emulate distance in real time, with 4 channels of output per module where the signal that you're trying to test the receiver is coming from. Also, your drone is going to be active in a complex electromagnetic environment. The Tabor Proteus can generate over 2 gigahertz worth of instantaneous bandwidth of signals such as cell towers, FM transmitters, and other waveforms that may be in the congested and contested spectrum. And finally, when you're out in the field, on the range, you may want to record a scenario. You can record it with our Proteus SDR and then play it back in the lab.
If you want to learn more, please email us on info@taborelect.com. If you see this on LinkedIn, just message us and we'd be happy to get back to you and tell you about our capability.